If you're a cycling enthusiast, always on the lookout for ways to make your rides more enjoyable, comfortable, and of course safe, this list is for you. Watch until the end so you can decide which one, if any, you'd want to buy. Foldy Lock Compact. Here's how to keep your favorite bike safe from theft. It's a lock, but it's not any ordinary lock. It's small, foldable, and extremely useful. It's also far more durable than comparable products. The device passed the saw wire cutter and hammer test and freezing temperatures. Foldy Lock Compact can also be secured at any angle. When not in use, it easily detaches from the bike frame. The cost is $85. Hexagon. Making certain that you are completely safe when cycling in a large and busy city is not an easy task. Fortunately, you can fix this problem with the right tools. Consider the Hexagon. It's a tail light that connects to the owner's smartphone and attaches to the bike. A built-in camera sends images to the phone attached to the handlebar in real time. As a result, the cyclist is conscious of the road situation behind them while riding. In addition, Hexagon serves as a turn signal, a brake light, and has an intermittent mode. This makes the bicycle and, more importantly, the cyclist more visible on the road, especially at night. Another advantage is that the device can broadcast videos directly from the bike. The cost is $40. Retire Modular Tire System. Here's an innovation that will appeal to cycling aficionados who don't like wasting time and don't like being limited in any way. Retire, a Norwegian company, has developed a modular system which allows you to essentially convert your bicycle. It is made up of several tires that can be replaced quickly and easily. The system works as follows. The user transports an extra set of tires in a bag. They are small and take up little space. When the surface beneath the wheels changes, such as from pavements to sand, the rider removes and replaces the tire tread. Yes, it is as easy as it sounds. The change takes less than a minute thanks to the heavy-duty zipper. The system is designed to work with any bike. The company offers 4 tire options: gravel, snow, ice, and off-road. The prices range between $45 to $88. Unit 1 Faro. We have here a bike helmet that, in addition to its primary function, also lowers the chances of getting into an accident in the dark. How? Faro from Unit 1 is outfitted with a full LED lighting system. They can be found both in the front and in the back. They will warn motorists about braking and turning, as well as make the cyclist more visible on the road even in low light conditions. Water resistance and a clever ventilation system ensure that the product is also comfortable to use. This item will set you back $169. Kiosk by Bosch. This gadget will be an excellent addition to any bike. Because the Bosch Kiosk is a small onboard computer with an intuitive user interface that attaches to the handlebar and connects via Bluetooth to the owner's smartphone. It indicates not only when and where to turn, but also the remaining distance of the journey to the destination. Argo Cargo Kit. Eco-friendliness and maneuverability are 2 increasingly popular ideas, which is why cargo bikes are becoming incredibly common. But what if you need a regular vehicle as well as a cargo vehicle but don't have a lot of space? Argo cargo bikes have developed a unique set designed to modify an ordinary bicycle in less than a minute. It is made up of a frame to which the wheel is attached and a storage area that allows you to transform the bike. Remove the front wheel and attach the Argo cargo kit to the fork directly. The finished product is strong, stable, and dependable, and it can withstand many hours of use. The basket, which can carry up to 68 kilograms, costs $11,500. Moto Perilla Carbon. The Italian company Moto Perilla has created this amazing bike for those who are used to standing out from the crowd and drawing the attention of others. This vehicle's every detail deserves our undivided attention. Let's check out the tires. They're big and aggressive, and they not only provide more stability, but also better grip. You can ride this bike off-road safely. The high-performance electric motor is another fascinating feature hidden within the massive vehicle frame. It lengthens the ride, allowing you to have more fun while decreasing fatigue. The frame and front fork are both made of carbon fiber. This material, combined with a unique structural geometry, makes the bike strong, light, and maneuverable. The larger components, such as the brakes and transmission and handlebars, enhance safety. Depending on the series, the price ranges from $6,000 to $11,000. Duro Rise. And while we're on the subject of electric bikes, we should mention the Duro Rise from the American company Duro Bikes. The vehicle appears to be a scooter or even a motorcycle, however, no special license is required to ride it. At the same time, the electric motor with 1,000 watts provides secure riding even when the rider isn't pedaling. Duro Rise can reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour, recharges in 5 hours, and can travel 64 kilometers on a full charge. Do you prefer to pedal alone? No worries. In that case, the electric motor will only assist you on difficult terrain like steep hills. Duro Rise comes with multi-purpose tires for on- and off-road use, adjustable rear and front suspension, and bright lighting. Pricing begins at $2,400. Stroke Cargo Trike. A cargo bike with an extremely unusual design was presented by the Japanese company Inventions several years ago. It is an electric vehicle with 3 wheels whose main feature is the presence of 2 large capacity compartments in the front. They have their own independent suspension so that the bike does not fall sideways during turns and can maintain stability. The baskets have a load capacity of up to 60 kilograms. The most economical riding mode has a range of 150 kilometers. Do you think it's impressive? Finally, the monkey cycle. The issue with almost all children's bikes is that they are extremely costly, and as children grow older, the bike becomes obsolete. Thankfully, only a few years ago, the first transformable bike capable of adapting to the growth of its tiny owner over time was created. This is the monkey cycle, which represents 8 distinct models. It's difficult to believe, but the child can use it from 9 months to 6 years old. Then it transforms into a miniature car that can be pushed with the feet. The taller the child becomes, the taller the bike can be adjusted. Of course, the extra wheels eventually disappear and will be replaced by pedals. The monkey cycle can be purchased for as low as $200. So get out there and get one or all of these to trick out your next bike trip. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to our Tech Guys channel so you won't miss all the new videos that come out every other day that are all about tech news and reviews from just some tech guys. Tech you out next time.